Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing this. So it's a Starlight projector and I got it off of Amazon. I've seen so many people using it that I thought I should try it out and show you guys how to set it up and give you my honest opinion. So let's get started. So before we open it, these are the different functions. It has a voice control mode, a timer, a dimmer, and it can rotate so you can see the stars moving around. It also plays music, which I think is so cool and I can't wait to try it out. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So as soon as you open it, this is what it looks like. You get a manual, so your instructions, so you know how to set it up. You get your cable, I think this is for charging. There's that, it doesn't look too short. Here's the remote that comes with it. It looks like you're gonna have to insert some type of batteries here, so we'll see what they are in a second. But it looks really nice, and it's not too heavy either, which is good. Now let's see what the actual projector looks like. This is a projector. These are all of the little ports you get with it, so you can switch it on and charge your phone from it and play music as well. Now let's set it up. So for the remote you need two AAA batteries, which I didn't know about, but luckily I had some at home. So they're the batteries, and I just put them in, and I'm going to close it up. And there's our remote sorted. So now moving on to the projector itself and trying to turn it on. That's for charging your phone and for the Bluetooth, so you don't plug your USB in there. So you get the other end of your cable, which is this one, and you plug it in to the port which says DC. Plug it in like that. And also I was trying to plug this in the back of my iMac, but the cable is a bit short, so it didn't work. So I have a portable charger instead, which I'm going to get, and just plug it into there, and that way I can move it all the way around my room. So I just got my portable charger here. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm just going to plug it in just like that.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connection.
Now let's set it up with the Bluetooth connection so that we can play some music. So I just want to let you guys know before we carry on with the music and connecting it to the Bluetooth, if you put a normal phone charger in here, you can charge your phone up by it. So that is what I am doing right now. Phone is charging. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let you guys know. But now back onto the music and Bluetooth. So now back onto the Bluetooth. If you go to your device which you want to connect it to and go onto Bluetooth, it should say BTK10, and then if you click on it, you should be able to connect. So
Bluetooth connection.
So now my iPod and the projector are paired together, and now I can play some music. So I'm just playing some music and it seems to be working really well. This is what the volume's like when it's like to the fullest, so maximised. Okay, so moving on to the remote now. So this button up here at the top will turn off your LEDs. So if I just turn that off, I'm just left with the stars. And the same goes for this laser button down here. If I turn that off, I'm just left with the colours. So that's what them two mean. The same also goes for the music down here. So if I had my music playing and I wanted it off and just wanted this scene to be on, I just press that button and it would just be like this. These four letters around here, W, B, R and G, are the different colours. So you have blue, red, green and white. So if I just point them at the machine, they can turn their different colours. But my favourite one personally is the red and the blue. So that's what they mean. These all here in the middle are for your music. So that's to turn up your volume, that's to turn it down, that's to play the next song, and that's to go back. Now moving on to this little last section down here. These two are your different fades, so you can make it fade into other colours. So that's the first fade and that's the second one. Then you have your timer, so after an hour you can turn it off, or after 2 hours it will turn off automatically for you. And that's your dimmer. So if I just press that, they're the different types of like levels of brightness you can have. So that is what the remote does. So now that I've shown you guys the remote and how to use it, I'm going to insert a few clips of what my stars look like.